Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I'm going to look into something new because I've been taking a little while. I want to make something new in my channel. And as you know me, I like my robots, I like things to go automatically so we can have a relaxing good life but still make money. But before I get to that, if you want to do what I'm doing right now, or you just want to trade manually, use the link you see up there right now and you can join this broker also. So now let's go to what I'm thinking about. I was thinking about social trading. I will now use my real money and test out some of this social thing. So a new series I'm going to do now, I will pick out new people in every video where we're going to copy their trades for 24 hours. Everyone that I see that we can make money on, I will give their names so you can copy their trades also if that's what you want. So let's out of the bat. I see one is very active here now. Let's push this person. Let's see how he have done. Okay, today he have done, wow, 144 trades. That's a lot. That's crazy lot, but he have made good profit. But let's check what he have done all time. Okay, he have actually done quite good. But let's see here now. His max trade is 2000. I'm not willing to use that much. So let's try to copy this one. Let's take 10. No, he don't let people copy. Okay, let's find something else. Let's check this Swedish person here. Okay, he have made profit today. All time. He have lost money. Of course, you're not going to copy someone that lose money. Let's go rather to the top last 24 hours. Okay. Let's just go for the one in top here. He have not done any trade today. Yesterday he did some trades. Okay, his max trade is 2000. Okay, I think 10% could be good then, so $200 will be something I will be interested about. Let's check all the time. And he's making money actually. So let's, and him we can copy. So let's then copy this one and see what we can do. Let's take 10% of max copy trade amount. Okay, no, then we take 100 here. Okay, I understand. Okay, we are going to copy 100% of the trade. Okay, I understand. Let's take a limit here. Let's say $200 in maximum for copy his trades. Okay, let's confirm this. So then we are copying one person. Cool. Then let's see if we can find someone else. Let's try people that just have a user. We are not going to copy. Let's be real. Let's take people that actually have a name. So let's take this one here. Via trade. Let's look at him. Okay, he have traded today 39 trades. Profitable trades 49% is not that good, but okay, he's making money, so we are satisfied with that. Let's see how he did yesterday. He did not trade yesterday. Okay, so it's not one that is trading every single day, but let's take all the time. Okay, he's making some profit, so his biggest trade is 1000. Let's not go so hard on this one, but let's take maximum. Let's put $100 on this one. I think that's okay. And then I think that's okay. And we copy there. So now let's see if we push here now. Let's see if we have a place where we can see where I can see the ones I'm actually copying. That's something that could be nice to know. maybe it's there. List of traders who you. Oh yeah, people copying me here also. Okay, list of copy trade. Okay, here we have it. So, so then we have these two. So then we can follow them. So then I will give a nice update video tomorrow, same time, and we can see how much money or how much money we lost. If we made money, by the way, I'll make a list that you can download with the users that I have copied, and we can go back to them later and try to copy them again. So if you like this type of videos also, make sure you push the like button, the subscribe button, because I try always to find new ways to make money, new ways of videos. And also comment below if you have any questions. And like I said, if you want to try what I'm doing right now, you find link below the video to use this broker today. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day.